Could Siri be replaced by ChatGPT or Google's Gemini? Apple is shaking things up to compete in the AI race. Today on GadInsider, we're diving into this bombshell news that could change your iPhone forever. Stick around to find out what's next for your virtual assistant. GadInsider, your go-to for tech, gadgets, and AI breakthroughs. Apple's feeling the heat in the AI wars, and they're reportedly considering swapping Siri for heavy hitters like Google's Gemini or OpenAI's ChatGPT. Why? Siri's falling behind, and with EU rules pushing for third-party assistant options, Apple might let you pick your AI. Let's break it down. Right now, Siri can tap ChatGPT for tough questions via iOS 18.2's Apple Intelligence, but leaks from iOS 18.4 beta code hint at Gemini joining the party, letting you choose between it and ChatGPT or even others like DeepSeek. This could make your iPhone's assistant smarter, faster, and more conversational. Here's the catch. Apple's not ditching Siri entirely. They're planning a big AI upgrade for iOS 19, but it's delayed until 2026 or even 2027. So teaming up with Gemini or ChatGPT is a quick way to keep up with Google and Amazon's flashier assistants. X posts are buzzing. Some fans love the idea, others want Siri to stay. Imagine asking your iPhone for travel tips and getting Gemini's concise answers or ChatGPT's deep insights. With EU regulations pushing Apple to open up, you might set your favorite AI as the default, making Siri a backup or gone for good. GadInsider fam, would you swap Siri for Gemini, ChatGPT, or stick with the OG? Drop your pick in the comments. And if you're hyped for AI news, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider.